Here is a beginner-level store manager that covers inventory and stock management, store operations and daily management, and POS systems management. Let's go. Question 1. The process of keeping accurate records of products in the store is called A. Sales forecasting, B. Inventory tracking, C. Staff scheduling, and D. Budget estimating. Answer: inventory tracking. Question 2. What is the main reason to conduct regular stock audits? A. To reduce staff overtime. B. To track customer preferences. C. To prevent stock loss and improve accuracy. And D. To increase purchase orders. Answer: to prevent stock loss and improve accuracy. Question 3. Which of the following is an example of slow-moving stock? A. Items that haven't sold for over a month. B. Items that sell quickly every week. C. Newly launched products. And D. Seasonal festival offers. Answer: items that haven't sold for over a month. Question 4. How can overstocking affect store performance? A. Reduces carrying cost. B. Improves space utilization. C. Boosts staff morale. And D. Increases wastage and ties up capital. Answer: increases wastage and ties up capital. Question 5. What action should be taken when a frequently sold item is out of stock? A. Remove it from the system. B. Increase the price immediately. C. Place a replenishment order with the supplier. And D. Replace it with a random item. Answer: place a replenishment order with the supplier. Question 6. The ideal stock level for any product should be A. Excess to cover all demand. B. Balanced to meet demand without overstocking. C. Zero stock at all times. And D. As per supplier preferences. Answer: balanced to meet demand without overstocking. Question 7. Which of the following helps maintain real-time stock accuracy? A. Manual daily entry logs. B. Weekly handwritten stock sheets. C. Monthly visual checks only. And D. Barcode scanning during sales and delivery. Answer: barcode scanning during sales and delivery. Question 8. What is a store manager primarily responsible for each day? A. Overseeing store activities and solving issues. B. Setting high prices. C. Managing suppliers only. And D. Conducting TV interviews. Answer: overseeing store activities and solving issues. Question 9. Which of these improves in-store customer experience? A. Unorganized shelves. B. Long queues. C. Clean, well-arranged displays. And D. No staff at the counter. Answer: clean, well-arranged displays. Question 10. What is the key to handling unexpected daily issues like power cuts or system errors? A. Waiting for head office instructions. B. Following an operations checklist and emergency plan. C. Calling all staff for a meeting. And D. Avoiding customer interaction. Answer: following an operations operations checklist and emergency plan. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. How should store cleanliness be maintained? A. By cleaning only once a month. B. Assigning cleaning to customers. C. Ignoring cleanliness during peak hours. And D. Daily cleaning schedules and spot checks. Answer: daily cleaning schedules and spot checks. Question 12. Why is staff scheduling important in daily operations? A. To avoid overstaffing or understaffing. B. To delay product delivery. C. To reduce customer service quality. And D. To promote unplanned absenteeism. Answer: to avoid overstaffing or understaffing. Question 13. What does an opening checklist usually include? A. Daily menu and offers only. B. Restocking office supplies. C. Cleaning, float check, and equipment startup. And D. Annual sales report. Answer: cleaning, float check, and equipment startup. Question 14. What helps a store manager measure the day's success? A. Number of hours staff spent on breaks. B. Customer complaints only. C. Supplier availability. And D. Daily sales reports and footfall count. Answer: daily sales reports and footfall count. Question 15. What is the primary purpose of a POS system? A. Processing sales and tracking transactions. B. Inventory shipment. C. Staff hiring and promotions. And D. Marketing strategy planning. Answer: processing sales and tracking transactions. Question 16. Which of the following is a benefit of using a digital POS system? A. Slower checkout process. B. Less data on product performance. C. Inaccurate pricing display. And D. Real-time inventory and sales insights. Answer: real-time inventory and sales insights. Question 17. What should a store manager do if the POS system malfunctions during peak hours? A. Cancel all sales. B. Use a manual billing process and report the issue. C. Close the store immediately. And D. Ignore the issue until end of day. Answer: use a manual billing process and report the issue. Question 18. Which feature is commonly included in POS systems? A. Weather forecast. B. Shift reminders for staff. C. Customer billing, discount application and stock deduction. And D. Electricity consumption. Answer: customer billing, discount application, and stock deduction. Question 19. Why is it important to train staff on using POS systems? A. To reduce transaction errors and improve speed. B. So they can handle cash only. C. To replace store managers. And D. To avoid customer interaction. Answer: to reduce transaction errors and improve speed. Question 20. Which of the following can help prevent POS errors? A. Skipping regular updates. B. Using outdated systems. C. Allowing multiple manual entries. And D. Frequent staff training and system maintenance. staff training and system maintenance. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.